My God, what an anger in his eyes. And he is the one who always proves that age is just a number. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna react on Acharya teaser of mega star Chiranjeevi sir. Oh my god. So before I start, hello and I'm Manali Naik. Welcome to my channel नखरेवाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. So let's go.
ఇతరుల కోసం జీవించేవారు దైవంతో సమానం. అలాంటి వారి జీవితాలే ప్రమాదంలో పడితే ఆ దైవమే వచ్చి కాపాడాల్సిన పని లేదు.
Wow. Outstanding.
పాఠాలు చెప్పే అలవాటు లేకపోయినా అందరూ ఎందుకు ఆచార్య అంటుంటారు. బహుశా గుణపాఠాలు చెప్తాననేమో.
Wow. In the theaters this summer. In the theaters this summer. It means by May. Oh, this movie is gonna get released in theaters by summer. It means by May, April नहीं. हाँ, मई तक आ जाएगी ये मूवी थिएटर्स में. Oh my God. Wow, with each and every upcoming promos, trailers, teaser, and everything, even the motion poster and everything is outstanding from South Indian industry. And I have mentioned in so many different kind of videos that साउथ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री की खूबियां ये है कि वो अपने कल्चर को इस तरीके से प्रिजर्व करते हैं कि वो इतना खूबसूरत लगता है. द वे दे प्रिजर्व आवर कल्चर मैन. The way this teaser started was so outstanding, so beautiful. जहाँ पे ऐसे पहले भूम करके फिर zoom out किया गया है. Beautiful nature. Everything is like wow. And then there are so many people. There are so many people sitting in the temple and learning the lesson of God. And the way background music और आवाज आती है कि सिर्फ जो लोगों की सेवा बहुत ज्यादा करते हैं या लोगों के लिए ज्यादा जीते हैं, दे आर नॉट लेस देन गॉड. वाओ. सौ पते की एक बात हम बोल सकते हैं. अ वेरी मीनिंगफुल लाइन, अ वेरी मीनिंगफुल डायलॉग दैट जो लोगों की मदद अपने से ज्यादा करते हैं, लोगों के बारे में ज्यादा सोचते हैं, लिव फॉर अदर्स इज नॉट लेस देन गॉड. और ऐसे लोगों पे जब आज आती है तो God didn't have to come. God doesn't have to come to be their survivor. I am here. It means mega star Chiranjeevi sir. The way he entered, his eyes and everything. My God, what an anger in his eyes. And he is the one who always proves that age is just a number because look at him. My God, what do you eat, sir? What do you eat? How do you remain so fit, so handsome and everything? And your acting skills are more than outstanding because throughout the teaser, what I was enjoying was his anger, his action scenes and everything is just wow. And the way he said that thing that I don't teach any kind of lesson. I mean, he meant to be like the lesson which was where people were learning in the start of the teaser, where everyone was sitting and they were just learning about the religious thing, the books and everything. Okay, so he was like, I don't teach any kind of lesson, such kind of lesson, but I teach them the lesson. So that's the reason they call me Acharya. It means that अच्छे से मार दार के यार तुम हमारे पीछे पड़े हो, हमको तंग करोगे. Such a sweet people, kind-hearted people, just like God, and you are coming and you're troubling them. So okay, I will teach you the lesson. And the way he taught them the lesson is just wow. There was a red curtains throughout the teaser, if you would have noticed, and those punches. There was पानी में ऐसे पैर रख के जो ऐसे मतलब बारीकी को दिखाया जाता है ना, वहाँ पे भी लाल लाल कलर था. एंड देन उसके बाद में ही उन्होंने जिस तरीके से वो भाला से मारा है, या आई डोंट नो वो अस्त्र को क्या बोला जाता है, तो उससे मारा है, एंड देन पीछे a very huge मूर्ति of देवी, and that was looking so grand, so wow, so outstanding. My God! And with each and every upcoming promos, trailers, teasers, they are setting a very new standards, and I'm just loving, I'm just falling in love with the way they are doing their work and everything. Like recently I had reacted on RRR launch event, or might be it was not RRR, or it was like Salar of Prabhas. So what did I see, or might be both? What did I see? The way they traditionally start everything so beautifully. Like there is positivity in the air around us, and the culture which they preserve and they show in their movies and trailers. My God, I just love them. So this is the best thing. I just loved it. I loved about this as well. And talking about background music, wow, it is outstanding. So literally, I am mesmerized by this because while once I had reacted on long back, I had reacted on one trailer, and then one trailer of Chiranjeevi sir, and then people told me about his age, and I was like, "Oh, are you serious?" So again, after watching this, I'm just like, "Oh my God, are you serious?" I am just loving him more and more day by day. His eyes and his everything, everything is over here. Okay, those punches, kicks, and everything, the way he was wearing the dress and the other were wearing the dress was totally different. He was wearing a modern, I mean the pant, shirt, the jacket kind of dress. Okay, so but still very traditional at heart. I just loved it. So this was my reaction on the teaser Acharya of Chiranjeevi sir. Oh my God, mega star Chiranjeevi sir. So if you want more of his video, please do like this video as much as you can and share as much as you can, because of your views I get to know what my audience love to watch and what not. So please guys, please. So I come up with videos every day, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Baki, parat mi aalets. Ha. Bye.